This is a video of some problems that are on your study guide. If you don't already have your mole map labeled, I would pause the video and label it the way that I have mine labeled. So you can see that it's kind of a little blurry. I probably have a version of this on Schoology too, but it does show you, kind of what to do when you're converting out is purple, what you do when you're converting in is red. We're going to use the mole map as we solve these problems, so I'll keep it open but a little smaller. First question, you have to make sure always to have a balanced chemical equation. I need to have 6 hydrogens, so I'm going to put a 3 and a 2. And when I have the 2 there, now I have 2 phosphates, so I would need a 2 for my PO4, and then now I have 6 lithiums, so I need a 6. So the first question, we're starting at 4 moles of phosphoric right here. And phosphoric is H3PO4. And then we're going to figure out moles of lithium. So we're really dealing with these two right now. I'm starting here and I'm going to go there. So this is my one I start with is A if you want to do that. And then B is the one I'm going to. So I'm going to put 6 moles of lithium over 2 moles of the phosphoric. This cancels and I'm done. I'm right here and that's what they want. So with significant figures, I have 12 moles of lithium. So we'll continue. So now we have a question similar. We're going to start with 0.40 moles of lithium phosphate, which is this compound now. And then we are going to figure out how many moles of the acid. So now this is my A and this is my B. So again, I'm going to do that mole-mole ratio right away. So if I look at my mole map, I'm starting here and I'm going to go here. And I want to get rid of the lithium phosphate. So I'm going to put a 2 down here. So 2 moles of lithium phosphate for every 2 moles of phosphoric. So this cancels. Take 0.4 times 2 divided by 2, which is really just 1. So I'll get 0.40 moles phosphoric. So we'll keep going. I'm going to bring this over here. So now let's do another problem right here.